Hello everyone. Today we will see how to fix in Selenium WebDriver wait deprecated message. Initially, for each and every script, we used to give this driver.manage timeouts implicitly wait and some time. Now let's see first why we were giving this implicitly wait and WebDriver wait and all. We were giving this kind of wait uh, to load all the elements properly on the web page, because sometimes if you run it through automation, some pages takes lots of time to load and all. Some elements uh, is not visible, it's not loaded and all. So for to avoid all these kind of issues, we used to use implicitly wait before Selenium 4. Now from Selenium 4, these all method, if you mouse over on this, it will show this method is deprecated. See, deprecated. Times org.open qa selenium webdriver times dot implicitly wait long time long unit deprecated. This element neither has attached source nor attached Javadoc, and hence no Javadoc could be found. And even for WebDriver wait clause also, it is showing WebDriver long is deprecated. See, this implicit wait is completely deprecated. We cannot use it anymore. Now in Selenium 4, there is no funda of using implicitly wait. So right away, we have to delete it, or even we have to make it as a comment. It's up to you. I would prefer to delete this complete line. There is no use of keeping this line in the code, as this method is completely deprecated. So let's take it off. Now the question arises, if all implicit explicit wait is deprecated in Selenium 4, then how we will make our script to wait, how we will make sure that our pages are loaded properly, all elements, everything is visible. So let's now move on to this WebDriver wait class. Here we'll see, if you see this error message carefully, it is showing the constructor WebDriverWait WebDriver long is deprecated. This WebDriver wait has lots of methods. In that, this WebDriver long, where we are passing this argument WebDriver and long, that particular method is deprecated. Rest we can use it still. So now what we have to do is, we'll comment this out and I will show you now latest on how to use it. Let's take a WebDriver wait. We'll take our object name wait, new WebDriver wait. See here, if you go, first one is deprecated. Now we'll take it second one, WebDriver driver long timeout in second. So here anyways our driver is an object of our driver class, so we'll use that. Now for this one, if we directly pass this number, that will be deprecated, so we'll not pass the number directly. Instead of, we'll pass it as a time unit duration dot of seconds. Here you can use hours, millis, minutes, nanos, whatever you want. We'll use it. We'll use this of seconds. We can use both long seconds and long nano adjustment also, both whatever we want. So let's use first one. So here we can use whatever time you want, you can give. Now let's see the other variant of this duration of second. So for that, what we will do is, if you want to write, otherwise I will copy paste this and see duration. And if you must be knowing this, if you press Ctrl plus space, it will show all this duration dot of seconds. We are taking at seconds. You can take nanos, millis, hours, days, but those things will be very long, so better to take either nano or seconds. Now I'm taking as seconds. Now here we can use anytime whatever we want. 0, as per your requirement you should take the time. Let's see what is this error. This error is syntax error. Looks like we have missed out on braces. Now error gone. So now we are able to create a wait object. Further, how we will use this object? We will use this object for particular element to be visible, invisible. Many methods are there you can call and you can do. Let's see one of all those methods. Wait dot until, it will wait until the expected result, expected condition. Okay, expected conditions dot visible, invisible. Many methods are there. You can use visible element also, visible of. You can take invisible of. Invisible of we use when something we are kind of, if we are tackling with some login page and all. So if you want to go to next page, you can make sure that unless this login button is login or submit button is invisible, it should take time. Or sometimes, suppose if you have already clicked on logged in and you want to check whether next page is loaded or not, you can take it as visible. So you can take it as any element which you want to make sure, like suppose welcome text or whatever it is. So I am taking it as visibility of element located. So here visibility of element also, if you are using list, then you have to use this. Otherwise invisibility of, you can use this all elements also, or element located. This will check only for that particular element. So here we have to tell which element till they have to wait. XPath, by dot XPath. And now here we are passing XPath expression. Suppose input @ id equals to username. Oh, here we have taken invisible one. Sorry, some error. It's by mistake it happened. Oh, here we have taken invisibility of elements located. No problem. This invisibility of elements located means it will wait until this particular element become invisible. I told you that login scenario. Suppose it's a username text box. So until this text box become invisible, this will wait for this page to load. It will wait till that time. Now let's see one with the visible way. So we will okay, wait until expected condition. It is giving expected condition. You wait. See, it's very simple generic English. You can see, wait until this expected condition becomes true, or this expected conditions is happening. Expected conditions dot, what is the expected condition? Now you have to tell. Visibility, we have taken one invisible one. Now we'll take visibility of this web element, or you can take visibility of element located. You can take anything. Now I'm taking this one because directly here I can pass. There I have to create an object for that locator. So here again same thing we can pass, or we can pass anything related to welcome text. Let's see, by dot, here we are passing the XPath, by dot XPath. suppose here the input, suppose div at the rate title. Welcome. String literal is not properly closed. Okay, we missed it. This double quotes. So now it gone. Still one braces is missing. We'll put it. Now the error is gone. So from Selenium 4 onwards, we cannot use implicitly wait. Even in new WebDriver wait also directly we cannot pass driver in this long method one, that is also deprecated. Now we have to pass it in a terms of duration of seconds, and then for particular element we can put it that until so many other conditions, expected conditions, other things are there: invisibility of element located, visibility of element located, invisibility of list element, visibility of element located, and all, we can use it, and we can wait for the particular element to load it. This way we can solve our WebDriverWait deprecated message error in Selenium scripts. I hope this video will help you guys to rectify this error, whatever we are whatever we are getting from Selenium. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.